Alrighty, hello. This will be Albany Creek Juniors dance. So Monday classes, new dance, your hip hop dance. So the song is "Twist My Fingers" by YG. Make sure you get the clean version though. So this dance choreography is not too tricky. I feel like it's just getting the grooves while you're doing the moves. I feel like that's the hardest part of this dance. So yeah, to start with, I'm just going to start with the groove first, and then I'll get into the choreography and everything. So from the top, we should have seen. All right, so yeah, we've pretty much done this groove before. Really chill. Just relax, have fun with it. Just going to bend my knees on every single count like this. So however you want. Just really chill. It's kind of gangster. So yeah, bending my knees just like this, however you guys want to do it. So yeah, I know you guys are pretty comfortable with your grooving and everything. So yeah, that's what the groove's going to be for this dance. Might change a little bit every now and then. That's most of the time. It's just going to be syncing on every single count. Yeah, like that first move. All right. So from the top, from the choreography, it's going to start on 1. He says, should have seen how something pull up in the ride. Cool. So on 1, go 7, 8. I'm going throw and up. That is throw left, right to face this way. Throw left, right. There's a bass. Now I didn't teach this on Monday, but yeah, there is a little bass. I'm just going to tap my front foot 2 times. Just a boom, boom. So I'm going to go, should have seen how I'm looking, boom, boom. Awesome. All right, so from there, so 7, 8, should have seen how I'm looking, boom, boom. As soon as I land that second boom, he goes, boom, up in the ride. So you're just going to bring your left hand up, like straight like this. Left hand, right hand, left hand. And then that's all. Yeah, there's just 3. Up in the ride. Yeah, there is. All right, so boom, boom, boom. Go up in the ride. All I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be coming forward, back, forward. Just like that. This same groove will apply when we add in the steps in the second move. So just get used to this for now. Just coming forward with your left hand, back, forward, and back, forward. So just get used to this movement for now, and then once you get used to that, then you can add in these steps, because yeah, that's the bit we had trouble with. All right, so we've gone, should have seen how I look and pull up, boom, up in the ride. I'm going to be stepping together, out, together, out. So I'm just doing the same thing. I'll show you from the start, from the side. Up in the ride, I'll just be coming together, out, together, out. So yeah, that first one, remember I said that first in the ride, it's real chill. You're not really walking too far, really lazy. The second one though, I really want you to, really exaggerate that second step. So all the way on that second step. So you're taking a big goofy step, kind of like your skills and drills on this step. Yeah, it's literally the exact same thing, just a big goofy step forward. All right, so from the top, and then I'll move on. It goes 6, 7, 8. Should have seen how I'm looking. Boom, up in the ride, and lazy, and big. Awesome. So from here, and big. I'm gonna hop straight to my left, and I'm going to be going peace and peace. Now the groove for this one, we did go over this. All I'm doing is I'm going knees to the side, dropping, knees, drop. So I face, drop, knees to the side, middle, knees to the side, middle. Yeah, get used to that. We're pretty comfortable with that. We look pretty cool. So yeah, I'll just move on from there. Won't go over that too much. So he says, I got 2 mothers trying to fight me outside. So I've gone 2 and fight me outside. All I'm going to do, step out on my left foot, step out, and I'm going to go punch. Keep your weight in the middle here. Don't lean too far to the sides. I'm just going throw, throw, throw. Really big, crazy punches. Right, left, right. I'm going to go fight me outside, fight me outside. So that second fight me outside, it's just like real casual, you're just doing whatever you want. He goes fight me outside, fight me outside. Like, yeah, anything you want with your hands, just like act it out. So fight me outside, and then you're gonna do it again. You're gonna go fight me outside. So there's 3 of those. Seeing how I'm looking, pull up in the ride, in the ride, in the ride. Got 2 motherfuckers trying to fight me outside. Fight me outside, fight me outside. So yeah, easy. Okay, so we have just finished from fight me outside, fight me outside, fight me outside. Cool. So that verse is going to repeat. He says, well, you know what he says. He says, should have seen how I'm looking, pull up in the ride. What we're going to be hitting, just the timing first. It's going to go, you should have seen how I'm looking, boom, boom, in the ride, boom, boom, in the ride. So that's what we're going to be doing first. Easy counts. I'll just show you the choreography. So the first thing we're doing, we're going to be really using that groove that I showed you in the first video. Really emphasizing it. I'm just going to be rocking forward, back. So I'm going to be rocking forward to the right, forward to the left, just like that. That is on you should have seen. So that's on 1 pretty much. You should have 1 and 2 and. I'm going to be going forward, look. I'm going to be looking to the side. Doesn't really make sense, but I'm going to be using these like the ICU fingers. Even though my head will be to the side. So yeah, it doesn't really make sense, but that's what we're doing anyway. So I'll just show you the hands. We're going to be going 1 and, so that's when I do the fingers. I'm going to go 2, boom, boom. So on that second rock back, there's going to be 2 bases. I'm just going to be popping my chest out, boom, boom. Now on that last boom, 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 that's going to trigger my body to fall all the way around. Draw a big circle. This circle goes for a really long time, so don't rush it. To come all the way up to grab my steering wheel and my gear stick, like this, because we're going to be pulling up in our ride. Alright, so from where we just finished, I got 2 mothers trying to fight me outside, fight me outside, fight me outside. You should have 1 and 2, boom, boom, and round, and grab, boom, boom. So yeah, we go all the way around, slowly grab your steering wheel and your gear stick, boom, boom. On that last boom, boom, all I'll be doing is just changing gears. That's not how you change gears, but I'll just be elbowing backwards, just like that. So we just pretend for now. So yeah, boom, boom, that's on that last space. Alright, so next move, boom, boom. I'm going to be doing this really weird groove. I'll just teach your legs, then your body, then your hands. So yeah, with this one, it'll be a little bit tricky at first for some people because it's a little bit weird. Once you've got it though, it's really easy. So all I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be stepping with my front leg, with my back leg, and then front, back, front. So it's kind of like all the single ladies sort of dance, but it's not going to look like that because we're gangsters. Alright, so we're going with our front leg. I'm going to go toe, and quick. Pretty easy feet. So yeah, one more time, 6, 7, 8. Slow and quick. With my body, I'm going to be rocking forward and back and forward, back, forward. And, give me a second. Cool. Alright, so yeah, forward, back, forward. With my hand, I'm going to be going with our hand. Let's just say we've got like an egg shaker or something, or maracas in our hand. We're just going to be shaking it. It's really lazy, but I'm just shaking something with my hand for now. So from there, I'll just add them all together. We'll go 6, 7, 8. I've got 2 mothers trying to fight me outside. Awesome, awesome. So yeah, make sure you practice that if you're having trouble. All right, from there, on the second Fight Me Outside, there'll be like a little fun thing with all of you guys. Two of you will start a fake fight or something. So yeah, for like that second Fight Me Outside, you'll be splitting up a fake fight. So it'll go Fight Me Outside, whatever you want, Fight Me Outside, and then the next piece of choreography will come back in on the last Fight Me Outside. We'll be going punch, punch, punch. Awesome, awesome, just like we did in the first one. Okay, so I'm going to move straight on. I'll recap at the end. Fight me outside, fight me outside. From here, we're going to be doing our dance. So he says, I'm going to do my dance, cuff my pants, twist my fingers with my hands. So what we're going to be doing, pretty easy. I'm just going to be, actually really easy. You're literally going to be doing whatever dance you want. I'm just going to be like, just being silly, just having a little gammon. Yeah, whatever you want, just be stupid, be silly with your hands, whatever you want. It's just going to go, I'm going to do my dance. So yeah, whatever you want for that one. The next bit, I'm going to say cuff. We're going to grab our sleeve cuff. We're going to go cuff, grab onto our knee. He says pants, and we're going to go all the way down our pants like this. So the first one, he says, I'm gonna do my dance, cuff my pants. From here, I'm gonna be doing that groove that I said in the first video. At the same time, I'm gonna be going heel, 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 heel. So I'm stepping with my right, stepping with my left, just on my heel like this. I'm just going tap, tap, and tap, tap. So what my hands are gonna be doing, I'm going to be going tap and tap, just twisting my hands up because he's going to be twisting his fingers. And on the other side, I'm going to be going tap and tap. All right, so from do my dance, I'm going to do my dance, cuff my pants, twist my fingers with my hands. Easy, easy. That last one might be a little bit tricky, but yeah. Just get used to the groove. It will feel normal once you get used to that sort of groovy feeling. Because yeah, the choreography is not too tricky. All I'm doing is really twisting my hands. From here, we're going to be doing another dance. I'm going to be going, do my dance. Now, with my hands, I'm just going to be going, hey, and just like that. At the same time, I'm just going to be lifting that knee a little bit. So yeah, knee and knee. Just back and back and back and back. So yeah, that same groove that we've been doing the whole time. So I'm gonna do my dance really slowly. I'm gonna cuff my pants. So take your time to get all the way back down to your pants. Same as what we did on the last one. On this next twist my fingers, I'm gonna step front foot, back foot. I'm going to go kick and step. So that kick and step, we've done similar kick and steps before. I'm just going to be kicking forward and, so kick, step in the middle. On that last step, I'm going to be doing your skills and drills groove that we did on the very last move. So this one. So remember we went ka and step, and you're going to be doing that exact same step. So yeah, something familiar for you. Just the legs again. Actually, I'll go from here. So we're going do my dance, cuff my pants. I'm going twist my fingers, kick and step. Now my hands, just going to add the hands. So yeah, this last bit's a little bit fast. I'm going to cuff my pants, easy up to there. So yeah, this is the little tricky bit here. I'm going twist my fingers. I'm going to throw when I kick, so I'm throwing forward. I'm going to pull, and then I'm going to push out like this. So instead of doing our silly walk, I'm just going to be pushing out with my hands like that. All right, so I'm going to recap from the top. Not from the top, we'll just go from where we finished off. So I'll go 6, 7, 8. Let's just go from, you know what? Let's just recap from the top. Make it easier for you. So we'll go 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna throw and boom, up in the ride, and lazy, and big. I'm just going to shuffle back here so you can see me. And big, I've got two mothers trying to fight me outside. Fight me outside. Fight me outside. I'm gonna. You should have seen how I'm looking. Boom, boom, in the ride. Really big in the ride. Boom, boom, in the ride. I've got two mothers trying to fight me outside. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Fight me outside. I'm going to do my dance. Cuff my pants. Twist my fingers with my hands. I'm gonna do my dance. Cuff my pants. I'm going to step my step and kick and step. Alrighties. That is the end of your hip hop dance. So yeah, you pretty much got one more dance to go, and then we pretty much, we've finished our little concert set. So yeah, make sure you practice that. There's some tricky bits in there. Make sure you practice your other dances as well. And yeah, see you next class, dudes. Laters.